Hi guys, welcome to Lovely Tidbits. Today let's learn about the top 10 happy idioms. Happiness is an emotion everyone loves and longs for. We feel content when we share our happiness with our loved ones. But can we really express our extent of happiness by the mere word happy? No, this is where idioms fit in. Let's look at the 10 most common idioms for happiness. On cloud 9. This expression is used to indicate that someone is extremely happy. I was on cloud 9 when I saw the results. Over the moon. You can use this when you are very pleased with something. It is often used to convey extreme joy when achieving a long-awaited goal or receiving good news, or simply a moment of pure happiness. Alice was over the moon when she got her surprise gift. Grinning from ear to ear. This idiom describes a person's broad smile that shows extreme happiness. Anne was grinning from ear to ear in her new dress. Have a ball. To have a ball is to have a great time and experience enjoyment or happiness. Max and his friends had a ball last night at the party. Like a kid in a candy store. If you are like a kid in a candy store, it means you are really excited about something and can't wait to have it.
Wow! Wow!
It's like being in a place where there are a lot of things that you want and it's hard to choose one. When Grandpa saw all of the different ice cream flavors, he was like a kid in a candy store. Walking on air. This phrase is used to describe when you are so happy that you feel like you are floating. She's been walking on air ever since her engagement. Having a whale of a time.
Whoa! Oh!
This idiom is used to talk about enjoying oneself immensely. As a whale is the largest mammal on earth, it is used here to represent a large amount of enjoyment or happiness. We had a whale of a time at the office party. In high spirits. In high spirits means someone is happy and excited. They might be laughing a lot and having fun. Imagine if you were at a party with all your friends, you would be in high spirits. Everyone was in high spirits after winning the game. Paint the town red. To paint the town red means to go out and have a lively good time. I'm so happy you got your promotion. Let's go out and paint the town red. On top of the world. This is used to describe extreme happiness. Nikita was on top of the world when she got her driving license. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to Lively Tidbits.